Best Buy Business and LG partner through the trainings that we do on a recurring rhythm, as well as attending Infocom shows for other trainings. We also do recurring webinars to stay up to date on new products or technologies. And during complex project designs, we will leverage each other for in-the-moment project support.
So the reason why we're here this week at Infocom is we took the opportunity to do a deep dive with Best Buy Solutions engineers. We wanted to make sure we are aligning our sales engineers with theirs to bring the latest and greatest products to market here at Infocom.
Businesses should invest in AV because audio video is all around us. When you think of ordering food at a restaurant or navigating an airport, you're using audio or video for that purpose. Audio video enhances collaboration and productivity and helps drive a message and attract attention. AV technology evolves constantly, and so does our engineering team. In order to stay up to date, we have to stay sharp, and we have to learn from either the subject matter experts or the manufacturers, so we go directly to the source. We have to continue to build on our tenure and our decades of experience, so we are learning and evolving at the pace of technology. Our Best Buy Business engineering team maintains certifications through Avixa with CTS, CTSD, ANP, and we also hold IT certifications in CCNA, and then also with the Digital Signage Federation. What these certifications do is it enhances our capabilities and refines our design standards and allows our engineers to operate and to design on the same level. Organizations can connect with Best Buy Business through an account manager to learn how we can simplify your AV projects.